Hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Tonight I'm doing another pizza pizzazz party dish. When I take an existing cheese pizza and I add a little pizzazz to it. I just have this plain cheese pizza that I'm gonna start par baking in the oven for about 10 minutes. This pizza is gonna be based on a sandwich I just love so much. It's called the Kentucky Hot Brown Sandwich. If you haven't had one before, you must try one. Well, the sandwich actually originated in 1926. It was created by a chef, Fred Schmidt, who worked at the Brown Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. And he wanted to create a dish because late at night, people were dancing at the hotel and they needed a dish for these dancers. So they came up with this fun dish similar to a Welsh rarebit. This exciting sandwich covered in ooze. So a hot brown sandwich is basically an open-faced sandwich that on top of it, it has roasted turkey, it has bacon, and then it has a sauce all over top of it. It's like a bechamel sauce. It's a Mornay sauce. And that's what I'm making right now. I'm gonna start by melting a stick of butter. I'm whisking in a half a cup of flour. I'm gonna be whisking in a cup and a half of milk, a little bit at a time to avoid any lumps. It's thickened up, time to start adding some Parmesan cheese to it and some paprika. I've removed it from the heat and I'm adding a few tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I'm chopping up some thick pieces of roasted turkey that I got from the deli. This is gonna go on the pizza and wow, it's gonna be like Thanksgiving. On top of that pizza, I'm gonna add bacon and that turkey and some tomato. And then I spoon that Mornay sauce right on top. Finish with a little Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna put this in the oven. The Kentucky Hot Brown Pizza's done and ready to be sliced. It looks so good. Now that's a lot of pizzazz. I'm ready to try it. That sauce, spectacular. And that turkey, I love it so much, and the bacon is really there as well. This pizza packs a punch, and you can make it at your house too. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I care for you, and I'm so thankful you're here watching me, and you can watch more if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you, and see you next time. What do you call a fake pizza? Pepper phony.